natural world, danger does not always come from large predators with sharp teeth and massive bodies. Sometimes the greatest threats are tiny, silent, and almost invisible. Across oceans, forests, rivers, and even inside cities, small creatures possess deadly weapons, venom, toxins, parasites, or microscopic pathogens capable of ending human life. Many of these animals don't attack humans intentionally. Most simply defend themselves or survive using powerful biological tools developed over millions of years of evolution. Today, we explore some of the smallest animals on Earth that can lead to human death. Imagine walking along a tropical beach. The water looks calm, clear, and peaceful. But hidden beneath the surface could be one of the most dangerous creatures in the ocean, the box jellyfish. Nearly invisible in water, its tentacles carry venom powerful enough to cause cardiac arrest in minutes. Even a brief touch can cause unbearable pain, skin damage, and in severe cases, death. Scientists consider it one of the most venomous marine animals ever discovered. Many victims never even see it before it strikes. Now picture picking up a beautiful seashell while walking on the shore. That shell could belong to a cone snail. This small ocean snail hunts using a microscopic harpoon that injects venom into prey. For humans, the sting can cause paralysis, breathing failure, and death. The danger is that the sting often feels like a small pinprick, painless at first, making victims underestimate the threat until symptoms begin. In shallow, warm waters lives another tiny but extremely dangerous creature, the blue-ringed octopus. Small enough to fit in the palm of a hand, it carries a neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin. This toxin can cause muscle paralysis and stop breathing. A single bite can be fatal. The frightening part is that bites are often painless and symptoms may appear suddenly. On land, one of the deadliest tiny animals is something most people see every day, the mosquito. While the insect itself does not kill directly, it spreads deadly diseases like malaria, dengue virus, and Zika virus. Mosquitoes are responsible for more human deaths each year than any other animal on Earth. Their small size allows them to spread disease silently across entire populations. In deserts and dry climates, the death-stalker scorpion is another small but dangerous predator. Its venom can cause intense pain, fever, convulsions, and in severe cases, organ failure. While healthy adults often survive, children and elderly people are at higher risk. Deep in rainforests, poison dart frogs display bright colors that warn predators to stay away. Their skin contains powerful toxins. Some species have enough poison to kill multiple humans if the toxin enters the bloodstream. Indigenous tribes historically used their toxins to coat hunting darts. In tropical waters, the irukandji jellyfish is extremely small, sometimes smaller than a fingernail, yet capable of causing one of the most painful medical conditions known as irukandji syndrome. Victims experience severe pain, heart complications, and sometimes fatal reactions. Another small ocean danger is the stonefish. Perfectly camouflaged as a rock, it injects venom through sharp dorsal spines when stepped on. The pain is immediate and extreme. In severe cases, venom can affect the heart and nervous system. In rivers and lakes, certain tiny parasites can be deadly. Some microscopic organisms enter the body through contaminated water and attack the brain or internal organs. Though rare, these infections can be fatal and difficult to treat. Even ants can be deadly. Bullet ants, named for their extremely painful sting, deliver venom that causes intense pain lasting hours. While rarely fatal alone, multiple stings or allergic reactions can be life-threatening. In some regions, tiny ticks pose massive danger. They spread diseases like Lyme disease and other infections that can damage the nervous system, heart, and organs if untreated. Small spiders can also be dangerous. Some species produce venom that affects the nervous system or causes severe tissue damage. While most bites are survivable with treatment, lack of medical care can make them deadly. In freshwater environments, tiny snails can spread parasitic worms that cause severe disease in humans. These parasites infect blood vessels and organs, sometimes leading to long-term fatal complications. Some caterpillars may look harmless, but certain species have venomous hairs that can cause severe reactions, breathing problems, or toxic shock. Even bees can become deadly in large numbers. Africanized honeybees, sometimes called killer bees, attack in swarms and can cause death through venom overload or allergic reaction. Marine creatures like the Portuguese man-of-war also cause severe venomous stings. While not always fatal, strong stings can lead to heart complications or drowning if victims panic or lose mobility. Small fish can also be dangerous. Some species carry venomous spines that inject toxins when stepped on or handled. Even tiny mammals like certain rodents can spread deadly diseases through bites or contamination of food and water. The most dangerous part about small, deadly animals is how easily they are underestimated. Many look beautiful, harmless, or even cute, but evolution gave them powerful defenses to survive predators. Most deadly encounters happen when humans accidentally touch, step on, or disturb these creatures. In most cases, these animals are not aggressive. They attack only when threatened. Understanding these animals is important for survival and conservation. Fear alone does not help. Knowledge helps people avoid dangerous encounters and respect wildlife habitats. Scientists continue to study these creatures to understand their venom and toxins. Surprisingly, some deadly venoms are being studied to create life-saving medicines, painkillers, and treatments for diseases. The natural world is full of balance. These animals are not evil or aggressive killers. They are survivors using the tools nature gave them. For humans, the lesson is simple. Respect nature, stay alert in unfamiliar environments, and never touch unknown animals, no matter how small or harmless they look. Because sometimes the smallest creatures carry the greatest power. And in the silent corners of Earth, under leaves, beneath waves, inside forests, and hidden in plain sight, the tiniest hunches continue their ancient battle for survival. Nature is beautiful, nature is powerful, and sometimes nature is deadly.